Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Just want to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm uploading another video right now, and I just got a new phone, so please excuse the way it's been uploaded. It's a long video, otherwise I would have retaken it, but it didn't automatically switch to the full view, so it's sideways. And I apologize in advance. Rookie mistake that I just got my phone yesterday, just got it replaced. And forgot to do that one simple thing where you auto-rotate the phone. So, you can see my phone is uploading that video, but while I'm doing that, and you'll understand more when you watch that video. Sorry for all the shakiness. I'm on my tablet here. I am going to be canning hot dogs, carrots, and beans all in one canner pot. And my Instapot's going with my dinner, so... and you guys can see all of that in the previous video that, or I guess this one will probably be uploaded first, because this will be shorter. But what I want to show you is I've cut my carrots into bite-sized pieces. You can see that. And that right there is about a pound of carrots. And it's in 2 wide-mouth pint jars. And all I'm going to do to that, I've shook them pretty well to get them packed. Now I'm doing a raw pack, so I'm not pre-cooking the carrots. To me, because I use them in a lot of recipes, they come out too mushy if I pre-cook them, even for a few minutes. So I raw pack them, and then I pour hot water over them, fill it to the line right here. And yes, they float, and you don't get as many carrots in it this way. Yes, I know that, but for me and my family, this is the best way to do it. So you can pre-cook them and put them in the jars, and they'll maneuver around just a little bit better, and you will get more in the jars. But this is the way that I do it, and you can see I do it both ways in some older videos from about 2 years ago, and you can see me canning carrots there. But just wanted to show you. This is one thing that I'm very, very low on, is canned carrots, and I only got 4 pounds at the store. Because they were limiting, and I didn't want to go overboard with carrots. So carrots we use quite a bit, and it really doesn't matter to me whether they're canned by me or fresh. I have fresh carrots in with my pot roast right now in the Instapot, but other than that, you know, canned carrots are fine. I use them in my stews whenever I make stews or soups. You know, or for a side vegetable, they come out great. So that's what I'm doing for carrots, just adding hot water. I don't add salt. You can add salt if you'd like. I don't like a lot of salt, which is one of the reasons that I can, is so that I know exactly what's going into my food. So these are not organic carrots. These are just store-bought carrots. I usually get them at the farmer's market, but didn't do that this time. Or direct from the farm. I can get a lot of carrots direct from the farms here, and which is how I do all of my vegetables normally. But because I'm so low, and because things are the way they are right now, I decided to can some carrots. So I got 4 pounds. I think I've used a pound in my my pot roast, and there's a pound in the jars, and I'm going to do another 2 pounds right there. And just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing this, because I'm doing 3 different things in one canning session. So I want to do it kind of separate videos so that you guys have a good understanding of what I do. So the hot dogs are going to can for 65 minutes. The beans and the vegetables are 55 minutes in pints. So when you're canning multiple things, you always go with the highest time for the item that you're canning. So when I do all of this, multiple things, I'll go for 65 minutes, because that's what the hot dogs need. It's not going to hurt the beans, it's not going to hurt my carrots, so everything will be fine. Another reason to raw pack, because they'll be in for, you know, an extra 10 minutes, which is a lot in a pressure canner. So I will see you guys on the other side of this, and you can add salt. You can add a little bit of lemon juice if you'd like. You can put some raw onions in there. If you'd like carrots and onions, you can put some peas with your carrots. You could do all kinds of things, and it's the same processing time. So These are just basics, and I like to have a lot of carrots on the shelf. And I think I have 2 jars left. I think I showed you guys that the other day. I think that's all I have. So this is what we're doing. So thank you guys all for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. I have 73 new subscribers. Welcome to you all. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and please ring that bell so that you're notified when I upload videos, which is going to be quite often for the next couple weeks. Okay, so I will see you guys on another video really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.